Your time is money. And nothing kills your creative flow and your deadlines like a slow laptop that can't keep up with your timeline. Rendering, exporting, playback, it all needs to be instant. But which laptop actually delivers pro-level video editing power without costing as much as a car? Our editing team has been stress testing the latest models for weeks. This is the top 5 best laptops for video editing in 2025. Number 1. Alienware M18 R2. More power. Greater thrills. Play like a boss with a high-powered, 18-inch laptop that features advanced cooling technology, 14th generation Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 12GB GDDR6 graphics. Commanding power and presence, outplay your rivals and show them who's boss with an 18-inch gaming laptop featuring 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 12GB GDDR6 graphics. Play your most demanding games with up to 270W total power performance * with more headroom to support overclocking without throttling. Uncompromised performance, our exclusive thermal interface material *, now located on the CPU and GPU, dissipates heat for extended, optimal gaming experiences. Stun rivals, stay in AWE, never overlook your competition with our crystal clear, 18-inch, 1610 display available with Comfort View Plus and 100% DCI-P3, in your choice of 165Hz QHD+. Stunning graphics, all display options reap the rewards of the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 12GB GDDR6 graphics, while also offering Dolby Vision and dynamic display switching. Number 2. Apple 2024 MacBook. Uppercharged by M4 Pro or M4 Max, the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M4 Pro or M4 Max chip gives you outrageous performance in a powerhouse laptop built for Apple Intelligence, * with all-day battery life and a breathtaking Liquid Retina XDR display with up to 1600 nits peak brightness. It's pro in every way, *. Champion chips, the M4 Pro chip blazes through demanding tasks like compiling millions of lines of code. M4 Max can handle the most challenging workflows, like rendering intricate 3D content. Built for Apple Intelligence is the personal intelligence system that helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protections, it gives you peace of mind that no one else can access your data, not even Apple *. All-day battery life, MacBook Pro delivers the same exceptional performance whether it's running on battery or plugged in. Number 3. ASUS ProArt P16. ASUS ProArt P16 sells computers with custom/upgraded configurations to enhance system performance. If the computer has modifications as listed above, then the manufacturer box was opened by our highly skilled technicians for testing and inspection and to install the upgrades according to the specifications as advertised. Both the computers and components are brand new for the upgraded system. Number 4. Dell XPS 139315. The ultimate on-the-go laptop. Our thinnest and lightest 13-inch XPS is built for a lifestyle on the move. Expect long battery life when streaming on the Netflix app for Windows 11. The FHD Plus non-touch display offers up to 12 hours. Awe-inspiring sights and sounds. Make your favorite shows more cinematic anywhere with vivid color, louder sound and deeper bass thanks to bigger internal speakers. Fast and secure sign-on. A dual-sensor camera separates infrared from RGB, improving picture quality, even in low light. Plus, Express Sign-In paired with Windows Hello streamlines your login experience, detecting your presence, or lack thereof, to quickly and securely sign you in or out of your laptop. Technical specifications. Processor, 12th Gen Intel Core i7-1250U, 12MB cache, 10 cores, 12 threads, up to 4.70 GHz turbo. Display, 13.4-inch, FHD plus 1920 by 1200, 60 Hz, non-touch, anti-glare, 500 nit, Infinity Edge. Number 5. HP Spectre X360 2-in-1. The HP Spectre X360 is one of the most well-regarded lines of high-end convertible 2-in-1 laptops on the market. It's known for its premium design, powerful performance, and versatile form factor. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of everything you need to know about the HP Spectre X360. The Spectre X360 is a convertible laptop, meaning its hinge allows the screen to rotate a full 360 degrees, enabling 4 distinct modes. Laptop mode, standard clamshell use. Tent mode, good for presentations or watching videos in a confined space. Stand mode, ideal for touchscreen interactions like drawing or using apps. Tablet mode, the keyboard folds completely behind the display for a pure tablet experience. And that's your shortlist for a seamless editing workflow in 2025. Any one of these machines will turn rendering time into creating time. If this review saved you hours of research and buffer time, please smash that like button, it helps more than you know. Share this with your editing group or anyone who needs a speed boost.